How to find the derivatives using the limit definition. F prime of x. So, isusulat muna natin yung formula. Limit as h approaches 0. So, yan yung formula. F of x plus h minus f of x over h. Copy na naman yung limit. H approaches 0. Okay, start muna tayo sa 2x squared. Copy the 2. Then yung x, i-replace yung x plus h squared. Then, plus. Yan na naman ang isusunod. 5 times x plus h. Substitute lang. Plus, simply copy ang 3. Okay. Copy ang minus. Then, isulat yung original na function. Over h. Copy na naman yung limit as h approaches 0. Okay. I-expand na natin yung x plus h square. Yan, expand natin. H plus h or h times h squared. Then xh, another xh, then x squared. Then i-add, bring down x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So, ibig sabihin, yan yung resulta doon sa na-expand natin na x plus h squared. I-erase mo natin. I-copy yung 2, tapos isulat yung result. Yan yung na-solve natin kanina. Then plus, i-distribute yung 5 sa x and h. So, of course, 5x plus h plus 3. Yan. And then, negative. O, i-distribute yung negative doon sa mga functions. Makikita nyo, nagiging positive kapag dalawang minus sign, pinapag-multiply. Pero pag positive-negative or negative-positive, yung nagiging minus sign. Distribute na naman ulit. Yung 2 i-distribute sa doon sa expanded form ng x plus h. Yan, wala tayong i-distribute dyan kasi mag-combine like terms na tayo. Ibig sabihin, yung magkaparehas ng variables, exponents, yun ang ipag-combine. O si positive 5x and negative 5x, ipag-combine natin yan kasi parehas man sila ng variable. Tapos ito naman si constant, si positive 3 minus 3. Parehas man kasi silang constant. Ito si 5h and negative 2x squared later. Maano natin yan? Masolve natin yan. Hindi pa man tapos, hindi pa man natin na-combine doon sa na-distribute na 2. Okay, yan. Positive 2x squared. I-combine natin sa negative 2x squared. Then, 4xh. Wala man siyang kaparehas. Yan naman si positive 2h square. Wala din siyang kaparehas. Okay. H. Okay, let's simplify. Positive, negative, di syempre, eliminate. Then yung natira, nag-descending order lang tayo. Inuna lang natin yung mas malaki ang exponent. 2h squared plus 4x h plus 5h. Since meron silang common factor, kaya ilagay natin ang h. H man yung common factor natin. O, first, second, third term, puro may h. Meaning, h yung common factor. Kaya, i-factor out natin. 2h plus, yan, 4x plus 5. Then copy the denominator, which is h. Then, of course, h is divisible by h. O, divisible man yan. So, i-cancel natin yung h. Yan. Then, copy the remaining terms. Then, substitute yung h, which is 0. Substitute yung 0 sa h, I mean. Plus. Okay. Yan yung derivative ng 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. Okay, dito naman tayo sa number 2. Yan yung final answer man natin. The same formula. Lagyan na naman ulit ng limit where h approaches 0. Kung ano yung ginawa natin sa first, yun din ang gawin natin sa second. Okay, yung x, substitute natin yung x plus h. Then, i-copy yung original na function, ano given. Okay. Nag-cross multiply tayo. 1 times x minus 1 times x plus h. Kaya yan ang resulta sa ibabaw over x times x plus h. Okay. Madali lang itong i-ano, simplify. Nakalimutan yung h na excited. Na-distribute man yung x times x plus h. And then, i-reciprocate. Merong reciprocal na mangyayari. Then, i-multiply. Yung positive, negative, automatic eliminated na yun. At ang natira ay negative h kasi 1 man yung isa pang factor. Over x squared plus xh times h. Okay, cancel. Di syempre, ang result nun is negative. Kasi negative divided by positive, negative man. Then, okay. Our final answer is negative 1 x squared. Negative 1 over x squared. Thank you so much. Sana may naintindihan kayo.